Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to talk about this Jeep right here. Okay, if you're having no starting problems, it's probably going to be one of the common problems. Okay, the Jeep cranks and it doesn't start. So if it doesn't crank, if you don't hear that kitchen, the starter's not kicking in, it's obviously your starter is bad. You might want to check your relay and fuse for the starter. But other than that, every time this particular Jeep came to me, not just this one, this is a 2005 model, 4.5, 3.4, all these same body shapes. Jeep Grand Cherokee, Jeep Cherokee. Okay, so I do have a fuse box open over here. Main thing, okay, I'm gonna talk about. First thing and the main thing. Whenever a car comes to you, or if it's your Jeep and it doesn't start, all these fuses over here, some of these are for computer, sensor, oxygen sensor, OSS module, fuel pump, injector, ABS, and there's ignition, TCM, okay, and then you have okay, pretty much check all your fuses, play around with them, wiggle them, okay. I'm not gonna get into a particular fuse. Most likely we're gonna be looking at this number 10 amp fuse right here, okay, this red one right there, okay. It's PCM, power control module, okay, computer. That fuse blew on me 3-4 times. It's 10 amp, okay? It says a PCM right there, number 19 fuse, okay? So look into that fuse box. This fuse box is simple right here. You squeeze it here and open it up. You might want to look into that. Another problem I had with this car was one day I was doing a radio. This was this very Jeep, okay? Change the radiator, change the water pump. As you can see, I do have a video on the water pump, how to do a water pump on this. One of my mechanics, when he finishes up everything, didn't connect that sensor. If this sensor, this coolant sensor goes bad, if it's disconnected, wiring problem, issue, bada bing, bada boom, your car's not gonna start. All right, so look into that. Scan it, it might give you a ETC, engine coolant temperature sensor, okay? And another one of the issues I had was if your car doesn't start, it could be your crank sensor or cam sensor. Very common, crank sensor, cam sensor. We do have cam sensor right there, okay? And down below it has a crank sensor. It has ignition coil pack. You also want to check your ignition coil pack. But your cam sensor can go bad. The car won't start. Crank sensor, your car won't start. Your Jeep, I don't know why I keep saying your car, Jeep. Your Jeep is not gonna start. But anyways, I hope this video helps you guys. If you guys have any questions, and it's like a 3-minute long video, but you're gonna figure out the issue, okay? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. If you have issues, you have check engine codes, send me a message and we'll talk about it. And most likely, main thing is, okay, I wanna go back to this fuse box. This fuse box, it played a really big role on this no starts. Every time this Jeep comes in, I have few older model Jeeps coming in. This fuse, I checked it. I know I checked the fuse. With the test light, I checked every single fuse. And these, you could simply see them from the top. And guess what? It must have been a bad connection. Wiggle the fuse, and after that, you could clean it with the cotter pin, and maybe it's a bad contact. Okay, and put the fuse back in. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.